What happens when a company that masters robotic suction decides to master terminal velocity? You get this, the Dreame Next Zero One. It's a transition that sounds impossible, yet here it is, a machine that aims to out-accelerate nearly every legacy hypercar on Earth. I am Ava, and today we are deconstructing the 1,903 horsepower disruption that nobody saw coming. Is this a tech stunt or the new king of the track? At first glance, the Next Zero One feels like a glitch in the automotive matrix. How does a household tech giant build a car that targets a 1.8-second 0 to 100 sprint? But look closer. Dreame isn't building a car in the traditional sense. They're building a high-speed robot. The first impression is overwhelming. It's a monolithic, carbon fiber statement that screams efficiency over ego. It makes no sense until you realize that in 2026, software and energy management are the new horsepower. Look at these lines. Dreame isn't interested in traditional, luxury aesthetics. Their philosophy is uncompromising, letting physical laws guide the design. The Next Zero One is a monolithic masterpiece of carbon fiber, achieving a mind-blowing drag coefficient of just 0.185 CD. That is aerodynamically slippery enough to make even the world's most advanced electric sedans look like bricks. Notice the front fascia. It's dominated by a multifunctional aerodynamic structure that channels air through the body, not just around it, to create massive downforce without a bulky wing. From the fastback silhouette to the L-shaped laser lighting, every single curve is a calculated response to air pressure. It's a clean, organic shape that looks like it was carved by the wind itself. It's not just pretty. It's an engineering statement that efficiency is the ultimate form of beauty. Let's talk about the heart of this beast. 1,903 horsepower. To put that in perspective, that's more than twice the power of a modern Formula One car. This isn't just about straight-line speed. It's about the massive 1,000 V discharge rates required to sustain that output without melting the battery. Dreame is leveraging their expertise in high-speed digital motors to create a power-to-weight ratio that pushes the very limits of tire technology. Now, let's talk about the secret behind that 1.8-second launch, the independent quad-motor system. Dreame isn't just throwing power at the wheels. They're giving each wheel its own dedicated brain. We are looking at a combined wheel torque of a mind-numbing 23,000 Newton-meters. Each motor operates independently, allowing for instantaneous torque vectoring. This means the Next Zero One can adjust power to each individual tire thousands of times per second. It doesn't just turn. It rotates with a level of precision that only a company obsessed with robotic navigation could achieve. And because each of these 350 kilowatts motors has its own direct cooling system, the Next Zero One can maintain peak performance without thermal throttling. It's not just a car with 4 motors. It's a high-speed robot that treats the track like a 3D grid, optimizing every millimeter of grip. This is robotic intelligence meet raw, electric fury. So, where does a vacuum company fit in a world of automotive giants? The answer is simple. They aren't joining the market. They're disrupting the entire hierarchy. Dreame's strategy with the Next Zero One is a direct assault on the legacy, high-performance sector. While brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini lean on heritage, Dreame is leaning on Silicon Valley-style vertical integration. By utilizing their global ecosystem of over 6,500 retail outlets and the same high-speed motor tech that powers their robotics, they're positioning the Next Zero One as a hypertech alternative to the commoditized EVs of Tesla and BYD. This isn't just about selling a car. It's about proving that their N+1 philosophy, putting core technology before the product, can dominate any industry. They are targeting a 2027 mass production window, aiming to offer Rimac-level performance at a price point that makes the ultra-luxury establishment look dangerously overpriced. Dreame is betting that in 2026, the foundational OS for reality is more valuable than 100 years of automotive history. Can a vacuum company really deliver a 1.8-second reality? The physics say yes, but the track will be the ultimate judge. I am Ava. Personally, I love the honesty of a design dictated by air and logic rather than chrome and marketing. But tell me, would you trust your life to a 1903 HP hypercar built by the same brand that cleans your floors? Let me know in the comments. Stay fast, stay smart. I'll see you at the finish line. Goodbye for now.